Hello everyone. Today we would like to talk about a simple but powerful concept that every polymer engineer, production supervisor, quality manager, and plant operator should understand. It is called error proofing, or by its Japanese name, Poka-Yoke. Every day in our factories, people make mistakes. An operator may select the wrong raw material. A technician may install a mold insert incorrectly. A batch may be mixed for the wrong time. A curing press may be started with an incorrect setting. These mistakes are not usually caused by a lack of knowledge. They happen because we are human. The important question is not, how do we stop people from making mistakes? The better question is, how do we design our process so that mistakes cannot happen? That is the essence of Poka-Yoke. Many companies invest heavily in inspection. They inspect incoming materials, inspect products during manufacturing, and inspect finished goods before shipment. Inspection is important, but inspection only finds defects after they have already been created. Poka-Yoke takes a different approach. Instead of detecting defects, it prevents them. Think about a USB-C connector. It can be inserted from either side, so there is no wrong way to connect it. Think about a microwave or wave oven. It will not start if the door is open. These are simple examples of products designed to prevent mistakes. The same thinking can transform polymer manufacturing. Imagine a rubber mixing plant. Before weighing a chemical, the operator scans the barcode. If it is the wrong material, the system simply refuses to continue. The mistake is prevented before it reaches the mixer. In an extrusion plant, sensors continuously monitor the profile dimensions. If the product goes out of specification, the line immediately alerts the operator or stops automatically. In a molding plant, the mold is designed so that inserts fit only in the correct position. Even an experienced operator cannot assemble it incorrectly. In a polyurethane mixing system, the machine checks the ratio of polyol and isocyanate before dispensing. If the ratio is incorrect, production does not start. Notice that in all these examples, we are not relying only on human memory. We are relying on intelligent process design. One of the biggest misconceptions in manufacturing is believing that more training alone will eliminate mistakes. Training is essential, but even the best trained people can become tired, distracted, or rushed. Humans are not perfect. That is why our processes should be designed to support people rather than expect perfection from them. Every defect has a cost. There is the cost of scrap, rework, customer complaints, production delays, warranty claims, and sometimes even damage to a company's reputation. A simple error-proofing solution costing only a few dollars can prevent thousands of dollars in losses. Whenever you walk through your factory, ask yourself 3 questions. Where can an operator make a mistake? How can I make that mistake impossible? If I cannot prevent it, how can I detect it immediately before it creates a defect? These 3 questions can lead to significant improvements in quality, productivity, safety, and customer satisfaction. Poka-Yoke is not about expensive automation. It is about smart thinking. Sometimes the best solution is a simple guide pin, a color code, a barcode scanner, a sensor, or a software interlock. The goal is simple: build quality into the process instead of inspecting quality at the end. I encourage every one of you to return to your workplace and identify just one process where a simple error-proofing idea can eliminate a recurring problem. You may be surprised how much time, cost, and frustration you can save with one small improvement. Remember, excellent manufacturing is not achieved by expecting perfect people. It is achieved by designing processes that make it easy to do the right thing every time. Thank you.